Hello friends, my name is Dr. Subhash Khatri and today I wanted to talk about how to propose vote of thanks. At the outset the question comes is why we do propose vote of thanks. Vote of thanks is proposed as a concluding speech at the end of the event to thank everyone for organizing a beautiful event. Now the question, what are you supposed to do? Start with a smile and just wait for a few seconds till you don't start speaking. Remember that your time is just 3 to 5 minutes. That means vote of thanks should not last for more than 3 to 5 minutes. Ideally, vote of thanks is briefer or smaller in length than welcome speech. Order of thanking should be the same as that in which welcome speech the order was used. Remember, you had to thank the chief guest first. Look at the person at least once when you thank him or her. Make a brief attempt to respond to the pleas, promises, greetings made by the chief guest or other dignitaries. Say thank. That say, I will pay great attention to person or someone who said this. Use varieties of expressions. Speak like a radio jockey. Tell what is next or over to master of ceremony. Otherwise what happens if you don't express this, people start getting up. People think that vote of thanks means that's the last part of it. So you need to give clear-cut instructions when you are almost about to complete your speech regarding vote of thanks. So you got to say that after this, what is the next? Otherwise say that over to master of ceremony. Now don'ts, what you are not supposed to do. Do not summarize or evaluate or praise the speeches or anything. Remember that already people had enough. They don't have patience to listen to all these things when you are called to propose the vote of thanks. Do not say on behalf of this, on behalf of that, and on my own behalf. That sounds funny. People understand what are you doing there. So don't use such kind of phrases. Do not say it was a grand success, it was a huge success, and so on. You are no one to decide whether it was a grand success or huge success. That's the reality. So you should never speak about this kind of stuff like it was a grand success, it was a huge success. Let the people evaluate. That's not your job. Do not say, I'll be failing in my duty. When you're doing it, it's understood you're not failing. So never use such kind of proverb or expressions that I'll be failing in my duty. Never do that. Keep saying thank you, thank you, thank you, and so on. That sounds that you're doing it for the first time. Never keep on repeating that word thank you, thank you, thank you, and so on and so forth. You must know how to start and you must know how to end. Use different words to thank and do not repeat the word thank you. Now let's see how we can do that. Okay, here are the phrases. I thank dash dash dash. I am grateful to so and so. Let me express my gratitude to XYZ. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. XYZ. I keep on record our indebtedness to Falana Falana. Falana Falana has reached dash dash richly deserves our gratitude and I offer the same. We remain grateful to the person. Our words may not be capable of communicating our sense of gratitude or thanks or indebtedness or obligation to put the person's name. We offer our sincere thanks to dash dash dash. Permit me to mention our appreciation of dash 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 to so and so forth. I bow my head in gratitude to. You can put up the person's name. May I take this occasion to salute him or with. We are happy to mention our obligation to XYZ. We remain deep in debt to him or her or them or you or Mr. X for whatever you wanted to say. We express our gratefulness to dash dash. I hereby acknowledge our. Say you can use a different kind of proverb there to mention the gratitude. We are happy to declare our thankfulness to. We promise never to forget dash dash dash. We remain very much obliged to put up the person's name there. we not only feel but also express the same feelings of gratitude or indebtedness or thankfulness to dash dash dash. Now, sample beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, for the wonderful time we all have spent here together over the past 1 hour, which has been so enriching and enjoyable, it is our duty to express our gratitude and say thanks to all those people who have made this possible. And then you can mention the way we had prepared some phrases. Now, another way which usually I use it is, say, you can greet the people, good morning, my name is so and so, and I have been given a noble job of proposing the vote of thanks on this occasion of whatever it is. So that's the end of some kind of tips for how to propose the vote of thanks. I'm sure next time when you are called to propose the vote of thanks, you're going to use some of these tips, if not all of them. Okay? So I got to wind up here. Thank you.